Welcome to TechFact Express. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of military robots and exploring how they're shaping the future of warfare. From autonomous drones to robotic tanks, the battlefield is evolving faster than ever. Military robots aren't new. In fact, their origins go back to World War II, with unmanned bombs and drones. But in the 21st century, advancements in AI and robotics have completely transformed their capabilities. These machines are no longer just tools. They're becoming autonomous decision-makers on the battlefield. Today's military robots play a key role in surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat operations. Let's break down some examples. 1. Autonomous drones, used by many countries for surveillance and precision airstrikes. The US military's MQ-9 Reaper drone is a prime example. 2. Bomb disposal robots. Like the PackBot from iRobot, these robots are used to safely dismantle explosives in high-risk zones. 3. Robotic ground vehicles. The Mars robot is an unmanned ground vehicle used by the US military to provide fire support in dangerous environments. Looking ahead, military robots are set to become even more powerful. The future lies in autonomous systems that can make decisions in real time. Imagine robots that can adapt to new threats, coordinate with other machines, and even lead entire military operations. With AI leading the charge, we might soon see swarms of drones working together to overwhelm enemy defenses. However, the rise of military robots comes with its own challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the idea of autonomous weapons making life or death decisions without human intervention. Many experts warn of a possible AI arms race, where machines become so powerful that they could escalate conflicts or act unpredictably. How do we ensure that robots remain under human control? Military robots have the potential to change warfare forever, making it safer for soldiers, but raising serious ethical questions. What do you think will make war safer? Or is the future of warfare too risky with machines in charge? Thanks for watching TechFact Express. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. See you in the next video.